Hello, hi, and welcome to an innovative site presented by Bonito Designs, and this is Soumya. So guys, today we have Miss Tanvi with us. She is the customer relationship manager and she wanted to be in this video, so she's with us. So this property is designed by Rashmi Jha.
Hi guys, this is Tanvi here. This property belongs to Mr. Pratap and Ms. Ipshita. This is located in Shriram, Sameeksha, which is in Jalahalli. So
We'll show you the house. This 2 BHK flat welcomes you with a beautiful Buddha featured wall onto my left. This is so beautifully done, I just can't wait to explain. So you would have normally seen Buddha artifact in most of our flats, our projects. So this is a beautiful idea which was executed from our designer. So this is made out of gypsum board and it is metallic painted and it's come out really beautiful. So Buddha symbolizes peace. So this ambient is so peaceful, and this is highlighted by the strip light which is end to end. So here is a Buddha followed by a tree which is half cut and it looks like a perfect frame. So on the other side is a cozy little corner with a low height armchair to sit in and put on the shoes. So here is a show rack for easy access, and it has foldable mechanisms with 3 patterns. Let me open it and show you. So inside we have 3 layers to avoid clumsiness, and it's easily accessible and it's functional. So I like this pattern. So this is one pattern. Right next to that we have shutters to fit in their helmets, and on top of that we have a drawer to tuck in the socks, the polish and shoe items, accessories. I actually like this cozy place because of the designer light which is hung there, the painting which is so beautifully displayed. The texture paint and seating goes hand in hand. So I actually like this foyer area. Now let's go to the living. This living area has a lot of features. So let me start from this. So here is a big aquarium placed on a crockery unit which has 3 shutters with frosted glass. So guys, I have a small surprise for you guys. Hold your breath. Dun dun dun! Here is a peacock featured wall and it's so beautifully done. And guys, don't get confused, this is not painting. The tree you see out here is purely thread. It's a rope made. So this tree and the branches which are spread across is made out of rope. And the peacock which is sitting on the tree is a stencil paint. It looks so beautiful. It has 3D effect and the light falling on this looks so perfect. I really like this concept and it is designer made and I really appreciate it. So let's talk about the TV unit. So this is a gypsum board. This is made out of gypsum board and it's painted in wooden color. And onto the other side, we have 2 ledges. The base of the ledge is a plywood and the drop, that is the descending and the ascending design, is a gypsum board again. So our client has placed lovely pots and artifacts which looks beautiful. So we have chest of drawers with 3 drawers to put in their set-top box and DVD player. So onto this side we have a family photo wall. So we have a stripe color for the background. We have white and grey as a combination. So on top we have they have placed a lot of photo frames which look so composed, and we have a sleek designer light which throws light on top of this frames that looks so beautiful and composed. To talk about the false ceiling, we have connected peripheries of the living and the dining with spotlights. And to give it that natural touch, we've pulled in 2 feathers from the peacock which is on the background of the TV unit. We've pasted it on the ceiling with tint of colors which looks so beautiful and natural. So now my colleague Tanvi will take it forward.
So now we move on to the dining space. You see here currently there is no dining table, but then that's because they have a little princess at home and they wanted enough space to have the kid move around. And here what you see is a puja unit. This is a full length puja unit. With of course there are few shutters given below for the storage of puja accessories. And you see on top, this is a designer glass which has Ganesha printed on it. Okay, and the glass is placed on a very nice mechanism called tip on. So I'll show you the internals of puja unit. So here there are two ledges given for the puja unit where the idols have been placed along with of course all the diya and agarbatti placements to be below. So here we are in the beautiful space of the house, which is the kitchen. You see here it's a very modern style of kitchen which we have used, and there are two color combinations which we have used here. So there's a frosty white laminate which you're seeing, and also a lime green laminate. So on top we have given an L-shaped loft end to end. Okay, and then when you come below and see, there are top cabinets which we have given. And also here you see a hydraulic lift which we are given to keep their spices and all of that. Here what you're seeing is we have given few cabinets below which consist of your tandem boxes, bottle pull-out and few cutlery set. And onto the other side we have given two wicker baskets on the corner, and onto this corner we have given a beautiful tall unit to keep the microwave oven. So overall, this kitchen gives a very positive feel and also looks very lively. So we are here at the beautiful master bedroom. The color chosen here, which you will see, is in a way which is making the room look really big. And also towards this side, we have a TV unit given. Of course, the provision of which is being given, but the TV unit will be placed later. And here is a dresser. With of course the storage for the cosmetics inside, and there are two drawers given below to keep other accessories. And onto the other side, which you're seeing is a cute little openable wardrobe with two color variations given. And also the handles which you're seeing here is really sleek and also adding real good value to the whole wardrobe. On top is a false ceiling. It's a rectangular shaped false ceiling with texture paint which is done on top. It's a flower shaped texture paint. So overall this room looks really cozy and neat.
So guys, we're now entering the kids' bedroom, and the princess of this room is Tarasha. So her name is beautifully placed in between two angel wings with a little crown on top, which looks so cute and elegant. So now I would first like to talk about the false ceiling because it has a unique design. So over here we have a lot of storage given for this little princess to fit in her all the toys. So onto the other side we have openable wardrobes, and the color combination of this room is aquamarine and baby pink semi-glossy laminates. And to access these shutters we have cute funky handles. It's really nice.